How to check if your mic and camera is hacked. Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can check if your mic or camera is hacked on your device. Let's get started. The very first thing you're going to do is check the green dot at the top right corner. You can see the green dot right beside my battery at the top right. This indicates that my mic or camera is being accessed by some apps. I'm currently using my screen recorder, so the screen recorder is accessing the camera. But if you have it turned on without using any apps, then you might probably be hacked, or your mic or camera is being accessed by someone or some app. Then what you can do next is review your app permission. For that, tap on the settings menu. From settings, you can go back here and go to apps section, tap on apps, tap on the three dots at the top right, go to permission manager, and you can easily find your camera as well as your microphone access. Then review which apps are using your microphone or camera access and which are not using them, and you should be good to go. Then you can also find the mic and camera access history. You can find that on your privacy tab. So go to security and privacy. Then you can find permission used in last 24 hours. Go to microphone or camera. And then it will show you when your microphone was used. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.